Good day from the Boating Safety Ed program. My name is Josh Hoffman out of the main office, and I'm here today to tell you a little bit about our Life Jacket Loaner Station program. So the premise for this program is pretty straightforward. You're a boater, you're at the lake, you've got everything you need for a day on the water, except you're short a jacket, a life jacket. You lost one, you forgot one, or folks don't fit in the same size as the one they did last year. Well, if you're at one of the lakes with one of our loaner stations, you just borrow one for the day. Use it, return it, end of story. Everybody's in compliance, and more importantly, everybody's much safer on the water. So funding for all these life jackets and loaner stations, well, that comes from a U.S. Coast Guard grant. We also rely quite extensively on our relationships and partnerships with other governmental and non-governmental agencies, like the good people at the Maricopa County Sheriff's Office Lake Patrol and our friends in the Ryan Thomas Foundation. Without their contributions of blood, sweat, toil, tears, a lot of time, and a lot of life jackets, our program would not be the success that it is today. We'd like to say a special thank you to the rangers down at the Patagonia Lake State Park. They just helped us put up our 15th loaner station. Take a look. This weekly win has been brought to you by the Boat Safe Education Program and by your friendly neighborhood employee engagement work group. Thanks for watching. Be safe. Wear your life jacket.